For years, Google has quietly built some of the world's most powerful artificial intelligence systems, many of which the public only hears about indirectly through research papers, leaked demos, or subtle improvements in everyday products. While they aren't literally secret, Google rarely advertises the full scope of what these models can do. But when you look closely, it becomes clear that these emerging AIs are pushing human capability into genuinely superhuman territory. First, Google's advanced language and reasoning models are evolving far beyond simple chatbots. These systems can summarize enormous datasets, analyze complex scientific information, and generate insights that would take a human weeks or months. For researchers, analysts, and creators, this represents a massive cognitive upgrade, one that dramatically amplifies human productivity rather than replacing it. Then there are Google's multimodal models, AIs that understand text, images, audio, code, and even real-world sensor data simultaneously. These tools allow people to translate ideas across mediums instantly, turning sketches into functional applications, raw footage into polished videos, or vague concepts into detailed plans. Tasks that required entire creative teams are now within reach for a single person with the right prompts. Google's AI assistants are also becoming increasingly personalized. They can adapt to your habits, anticipate your needs, and automate repetitive tasks across your devices. Whether it's managing communication, organizing information, or smoothing the workflow between apps, these invisible helpers free up mental space so you can focus on higher-level thinking. And finally, Google's research into robotics and embodied AI hints at a future where digital intelligence blends with physical capability. Imagine robots that can learn by watching you, understand natural language instructions, and handle tasks too tedious, dangerous, or time-consuming for humans. Individually, each system is impressive. Together, they form a powerful technological ecosystem, a set of tools designed not to replace humans, but to augment them. And that's what makes these AIs feel truly superhuman.